Okay, hey, good morning. Welcome to Trent's OTG. We are here working on the 51 and we're getting incrementally closer to shooting some paint color on this bed. It had been stripped down to bare metal with a sandblasting process by the previous owner, and they were looking at what they had, which wasn't a great product. There's rust all over in it, as you can kind of see. But what we decided to do was not restore this to a perfect, pristine bed, but just fix the important parts, like where the tailgate hangs. There was a ton of rust all in here and here on the back. So you will notice here we've already patched some of the locations, and this is a cool spot where what we are looking for is a bracket. It looks like this to hold the tailgate on. This plugs into the bottom of the tailgate and then it just rotates on that pretty simple hinge. We can reach the back side of this hole from underneath with a bolt or a nut, but we can't reach this. It's completely closed in unless I cut a big hole in it. But what we decided to do is weld a nut on the back side so you can kind of see the results of that. There it is from this side. Therefore, we can take this thing on and off as needed. And now I just need to finish these two patches. This side is almost complete. It's like 75% welded in. Did the same thing with this side bracket, and back side of this wasn't too bad. Just a small patch. So we're almost there. And what I'm gonna do next is weld in a patch piece. Just like that. That fits pretty good. And I guess it's gonna stay there. And here's the patch piece for this side. Also a snug fit, just barely fits in there. So I'll get those welded in and then we'll get to carry on with the prep for paint. So come along with us. Okay, I'll apologize for the loud heater in the background up there. But here's a look at the patches complete. I sanded this one down, ground that down pretty good, pretty flat, and of course nothing on this bed is that perfect, so you'll probably be able to notice it still, but I'm okay with that. Looks pretty good. Shoot some primer and color on it anyway, and looking forward to the final product, finished truck we can put together. There you go, we got some quick patches done. Okay, we're in our professional level paint booth with, this is an old carport thing, wrapped in some plastic so I don't get paint all over the overtime garage. And then we got this sort of masked off. We're just gonna shoot the firewall on the cab. Later on we'll pop in there and do the dash, but for now, just the firewall. We got this thing all filled up, all the holes filled up. Ready for some primer, direct to metal primer, and then we've got the bed ready to, we wiped it all down. It's gonna get some direct to metal primer also. And we'll start throwing some color. Cool. Here's my people helping out. Elena and my bro Justin helping out. Mix up that paint. Okay, here's our post primer, direct to metal primer. Covered the whole firewall, and we got the bed. It's now no longer bare metal, so.
We'll do that top part all in one big length. I'll watch your yeah, just kind of pat it into there. Yep. So see how you kind of stop there? So bring it all the way through, but even if the thing's spring that way, yep. Now this, you're gonna go do one more pass, and then stop, and then you're gonna have to like walk the whole length, and then walk the whole length back. Doesn't sense to see how stopping. So do one more pass right there on the top, right? Cool. Now, yeah, start here. Come all the way through so that it's all in one medium. Awesome. And just hit right here. Awesome.
Okay, here's a look after the sealer is on. So that's step 2. We're almost ready for color. What do you think, Lena?
It's looking awesome.
All right. So, and then here's a look at the bed. Looks way better in black than in bare metal or gray. So let's keep it going. There's the color. Okay, what's the verdict?
Looks freaking sweet. Now up on here.
We've got color.
See that?
What'd you think, Jess?
Looks way good.
We eliminated some orange peeling that was going on.
Yep.
Got it to wet out. We've got a green firewall. You think, Lena?
It's great. You can't even see the
No.
70 billion holes we patched.
Yeah, the spots that we filled and welded in. It's like it was built this way. Okay, there might be an imperfection here or there. And then the
Gives the truck personality.
truck bed is now green, like we wanted it. Looks so good. A little bit of peel, but we're gonna probably abuse it anyway, right? Peeling back the onion here. Taped right along the seam between the hood and the cab. And there's a rubber seal. So we're just demasking this before it gets completely dried. And then that edge can kind of lay down. Yeah, check it out. Pristine engine bay, rusty, ratty cab. Just what we wanted.